Hi, I'm Doug the neighbor, and take a look at this. It's a 1998 Dodge passenger van 3500. Yes, it's a real live old style passenger van. It can hold 15 people. Now, it is a working van. You can see it needs probably a good wash and maybe a wax. Let's go on inside here to I can see the dice on up there. That's terrific. Old school working van. Yes, oh my gosh. And the nice wheels there, those are probably the original wheels. The owner says it's got about 150,000 miles on it, and the only thing he had to do was a brake job. That's absolutely fantastic. Get around to the back here. You can see that it is a working van there. Moving a little furniture today. It's a Dodge 3500. Let's just get the logo here on the door. See the Dodge Ram 3500 prime time, but the owner calls it Red Rover. Oh my gosh, I love it. Long lost, great classic vehicle. Wouldn't you like to drive this 1998 Dodge 3500 Red Rover?